Hello everyone, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to SciTech Guru. In this video, I'm going to do a slow motion lighter test in the POCO X2 device. So I'll be using the 960 FPS frame rate slow motion test and even I'll be showing you how to edit the slow motion in the POCO X2 device. And before starting the video, do subscribe to my channel SciTech Guru, and also do check the links in description if you want to know how you can set this kind of wallpaper for the POCO X2 phone. So definitely that video will be very helpful for you all in case if you are having the POCO X2. So definitely you need to know how you can add this kind of wallpaper. So definitely friends, try to watch the video. So there is a links in the description for the wallpaper playlist. And let's get started with the slow motion test right now. So and I got the stop lighter ready here. And let me open the camera and let me show you how the interface looks. So you need to swipe to the left side and you'll get the slow motion. And once you are there, you'll get the option to choose 120, 240 and 960 FPS. So three different slow motion settings, and I'll be recording the lighter and even I'll be showing you how you can edit for the very good slow motion shots in the POCO X2 device. And let me try to record clearly friends. So let me try to focus there on the lighter. Let me show you that shot. I'll try to turn off the lights and you can see in the dark clearly the fire. So let me show you how you can edit the slow motion shots. So once you tap on the screen, you will get this kind of option. So three dots. So you need to tap on that. And here you can move at any point slow motion shot wherever you want. As you can see, once you are done with the position, so just try to make sure the slow motion shot is exactly captured. And then you can click the tick button, so the video will be saved for exactly at that moment. So this is very useful in the POCO X2. In few of the phones you cannot have this kind of option, but in the POCO X2 there is an option to exactly choose. So as you can see here I recorded during like very dark condition. So just observe friends how good the slow motion is in the POCO X2. So even in the darker conditions it's pretty good, the slow motion. Here you can adjust exactly the area, so where you want the slow motion to be activated. So same kind of slow motion test I'll be doing in the other smartphones, the Realme X or Honor 9X device. So do let me know in the comments below on which smartphone you are willing to see this kind of slow motion shots. So let me show you another slow motion shot which I have taken in the POCO X2 phone. So it is a shot which I have taken and which I have edited as you can see. So which is very good, the slow motion shot in the POCO X2. And even you do get the option of decreasing and increasing the speed as well. So playing with 0.8x as well. So this is a very good option. And it is another slow motion shot for the magnets which I did in the POCO X2 alone. So overall friends, definitely I'll try to do more and more slow motion shots in other smartphones as well. So do let me know in the comments below what are the smartphones you want me to do. So definitely I'll try the slow motion shots in that, and if possible even I'll try to do the comparison review as well between two phones, so we can compare the slow motion shot which phone is better in terms of quality. So thank you for watching this video. So don't forget to subscribe and like the video. So see you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.